patient came in with some concerns of congestion, some ingrown hairs around, of course, the beard area. So we decided we were going to go ahead and do our Dermalinfusion, which is a 3-in-1 treatment that's going to exfoliate, it's going to extract, and then it's going to infuse. And we decided to do our pore clarifying serum on him today, which has a little salicylic in it that's going to help with any kind of breakouts, any irritation, any redness. And he's going to be super cleansed and absolutely no downtime. If he's got a work meeting to attend, he'll be able to go immediately post. So I'm just starting the Dermalinfusion on my patient. Prior to this, while he was steaming, I went ahead and double cleansed. And now again, I'm beginning this treatment. That you'll see is there's a diamond tip on here that's the exfoliation. And in the process, he's feeling a little bit of like a vacuum suction along with the serum that's being pressed in. And again, we decided to do our pore clarifying on him, although we do have several different serums that we can customize per you and your concerns. You see he's just a little pink just from blood circulation. This usually calms down within an hour or two post-treatment. So I just got done doing some extractions, and right now I'm doing a process called high frequency. And what this is going to do is it's going to kill any of the bacteria and any of the blemishes. And then also for those ones that you have underneath the surface that really, really hurt and are painful, it brings it to the surface quicker. So high frequency is amazing for any kind of congestion, breakouts, or those underground cystic kind of breakouts. But not least, I'm ending it with our black mask. Although we have several different masks that we could end, again, to specify for you and your concerns. But for my patient currently, black mask is going to draw out any impurities, add some hydration behind, and leave his skin fresh and glowing and clean. So while I'm taking your mask off, I want to know how did you feel about the treatment? Like, what did you enjoy? And
well, I don't know anything about skin, so seeing my waist jar, I think that really opened up my eyes to how much crap you get on your skin.
Yep.
And I would definitely come back because I know I'm prone to breakouts and ingrown hairs.
Mm-hmm.
So I definitely am going to be coming back.
Good. I'm glad to hear that.
Especially after seeing my waist jar. That was insane.